Hey guys, how you doing? Jack Scalfani here, and today we're taking a look at the Pillsbury sugar-free line. You've seen it in the stores, you wonder if it's any good, we're gonna taste it, we're gonna bake it all up. But first I wanna give you some warnings, because when you read sugar-free or you read something's all natural or organic or whatever it is, it's supposed to be good for you or not as bad for you, have caution, because if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So let's take a look here and see the ingredients. There's a thing called carbohydrates that will be included in this that is not good for you. It turns into sugar, even though it says sugar-free. Carbohydrates turn into sugar in about 20 minutes if you're not active in burning it off. Okay, there's another thing involved in here called sugar alcohol. So when you see a lot of sugar-free products, I guess sugar alcohol doesn't count as sugar, but it is a form of sugar. And supposedly, the news, which you can't believe the news anymore, but they claim sugar alcohol is a lot less than regular sugar. So it's still not perfect, but it's a lot healthier than if you ate the real deal. So let's bake these up, and we're just here to do a taste test on these, okay? And then we're gonna take this to Bible study and share with everybody. But we wanna see if they're any good, if they taste plasticky, who knows? But I've seen these going by in the grocery store, and I've been dying to try them out. So let's take a look at all these. We have, come on in close before I tell you. So let's start here. We've got the chocolate fudge brownie mix. We've got the devil food cake mix. We've got the classic yellow mix. And we've got the muffin or bread mix right here, cinnamon swirl. We've got the chocolate frosting and the vanilla frosting, which also have, if I remember correctly, they also have sugar alcohol in them. You need to be careful. You need to count your sugar alcohol as a part of your sugar intake, okay? So if you're counting carbohydrates and you're counting sugars and all that stuff, you may want to be careful. So anyway, we're gonna make this all. We're gonna frost them up, and we're gonna let you know how it tastes. As you guys can see, there is a batter mix, and there is a second bag right here, which is a swirl mix. The smaller one is for later. We're gonna mix the batter right now, okay? So this is the batter mix. It's a white. This looks more like a cinnamon. As you can see, we got the batter mix in there, right? So now we're going to take the eggs, put them in. According to the box, the oil. And last ingredient, the water. And it says to mix this on low for about 1 minute. So we're gonna hold this bowl, try to hold it, and mix on low. So it says to take half the batter, pour it in the bread pan. So we're gonna try this. Here we go. Take half the batter, pour it in the bread pan. You can take this, and half your bag is going to go in here. Sprinkle it in. Get the rest of the batter, pour it in. Okay, cook this according to the box. We've taken the second half of the cinnamon swirl and covered the top. So we have some in the middle, some on the top. We're gonna cook this at 375 according to the box. Okay, it's time to start making the brownies. All right, so let's put this is the brownie mix we're making. So we're gonna start with the brownie mix in the bowl. right there. Little oil. Shake it out real good. A little bit of water. There we go. And 1 egg. There we go. Where'd that spoon go? There it is. All right, this one's a little bit different. This one says 50 stirs. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, time to get this in the oven according to the box. Got the oven all ready? Let's do it. So we've cooled all the cakes, the brownie, the bread, everything's cooled off. Now we're just, Tammy's home from work and she's helping me frost the cakes because I will destroy them. Hi, honey. You're doing a great job. And there you go. That's the final product. We have the frosted brownie. We have the frosted devil's food, the frosted classic yellow cake in the back, and the cinnamon swirl bread, all sugar-free. That looks great. Looks beautiful. Tammy did a great job frosting all these for me. I appreciate it. It's time to try these out now and see what we think. Let me get a fork. We got some really cool videos coming up. We're going to be throwing out all our pots and pans, and we're going to tell you why. And another video we're doing, it's like the most disgusting looking or sounding video it is. We're doing a crazy recipe that I saw. You'd never think these two items go together, but that's going to be something coming up. We're going to shock you on that one too. So get ready. Are you guys ready? We're going to try this out. Let's try the bread. The bread's good with a cup of coffee. I'm dying for coffee right now. It's like a cinnamon crumble coffee cake, right? Let's try the yellow cake now. These are all moist. That classic yellow cake, home run. Now for the devil's food. Home run with the devil's food too. Now for my favorite, the brownie, the frosted brownie. The frosted brownie is my favorite. Then the yellow cake, then the devil's food, then the cinnamon coffee cake. That's really good. You guys take care. I love you. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.